Hey, hello, welcome to DigiLearn Community YouTube channel. And this is Nutan Kumar, and I hope you're doing great. So, today I come up with one more career opportunity for you guys. That is, as you can see over there, India Government Mint Mumbai. So, IGMM has recently announced notification for BE, BTech, Diploma, as well as in the Heart students. Okay. So, before going in detail, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload any video. Okay, please do it. So, yeah, without any delay, let's get started. Okay, India Government Mint Mumbai invites online applications from eligible and willing applicants for the various posts of the supervisor, supervisor safety officer, junior technician, engraver, junior office assistant. Okay, there are various positions are there. Okay, so applicants are advised to apply online between 5 September 2020 to 4 October 2020 through India IGMM website, that is India Government Mint Mumbai. Okay, so let's get into important dates. Duration of website link for applying online application from 5 September to 4 October 2020, as we discussed earlier. Payment of fees in online mode 5 September 2020 to 4 October 2020. And the tentative date of online examination, which will be conducted online at selected centers, will be held on November 2020. Okay, and let's move on and check vacancies and name of the post and scale of pay, number of posts, as well as qualification and age limit. Okay, first post is supervisor technical operations civil engineering S1 level. Okay, scale of pay will be raised 26,000 to 1 lakh per month in IDA pattern of pay scale. Other allowances as admissible. Okay, and number of posts are only one post, unreserved candidate. And qualification, every candidate should have first class diploma in civil engineering. Okay, and this is desirable, not mandatory. BTech in civil engineering that is not mandatory. If you done be a diploma, it is enough. That is enough. Okay, and the age limit will be 30 years. Supervisor, next post is supervisor technical operations S1 level draftsman. So scale pay will be 26,000 to 1 lakh, and other allowances are admissible. Total one post, unreserved candidates. So as qualification will be first class diploma in mechanical engineering and BTech in mechanical engineering, and knowledge of CAD and CAM will be desirable, not mandatory. And age limit will be 30 years. Supervisor technical operations, their scale of pay will be raised 26,000 to 1 lakh. Other allowances as admissible, and total two posts are there. General post, and should possess first class diploma in metallurgical and material engineering, and BTech in the above branch will be desirable, not mandatory. And the age limit will be 30 years. Supervisor technical operations S1 level 26,000 to 1 lakh scale of payment, and other allowances admissible. Total 5 posts are there. In that, 4 posts reserved for unreserved, that means general candidates, and 1 post for OBC candidates, OBC non-creamy layer candidates. Essential and should possess first class diploma in mechanical or production engineering. BTech in the above branch desirable, and the age limit will be 30 years. Supervision technical operations and 26,000 to 1 lakh basic pay and with other allowances. Total two posts are there, and qualification would be first class diploma in engineering, electrical or electronics or instrumentation or electronics and telecommunications or industrial electronics. And BTech in the above branch will be desirable, not mandatory. And the age limit would be 30 years. Supervisor safety officer, the pay allowances will be from 26,000 to 1 lakh and other allowances as admissible. Only one post will be there, general candidate. Essential possesses a degree in any branch of engineering or technology and practical experience of working in any factory in a supervisory capacity for a period of not less than 2 years or experience of not less than 5 years in training, education, consultancy, or research in accident prevention in any industry. So it requires some experience, and age limit will be 30 years, should not exceed 30 years. And also some other qualifications should require possess adequate knowledge of Marathi language, a diploma in industrial safety from the recognized institution. Engraver pay scale will be 8,500 to 20,850. Other allowances as admissible. Total how many posts are there? 7 posts are there. In that they are divided into 3 parts. Sculpture, 3 posts are there, general candidates. And metal works, 2 posts are there, general candidates. Painting, 2 posts are there, general candidates. Total 7 posts. Bachelor of Fine Arts Sculpture with 55% marks. Bachelor of Fine Arts Metalworks, Bachelor of Fine Arts Painting. Should not exceed 20 years of age. Junior Office Assistant Hindi B3 level. Pay scale will be 8350 to 20470. Sorry, 20,470 per month. And other allowances as admissible, and total 1 post as there. Essential graduate with at least 55% of marks and computer knowledge with typing speed in Hindi at 30 words per minute. Desirable proficiency in office assistant is desirable, will be desirable, okay, and should not exceed 28 years of age. One more thing, candidate possessing first class BE BTech in respective stream instead of diploma in respective stream can also apply against post code from 1 to 5 year to year. Okay. Those who have studied 10 plus 2 and BTech can also apply. Those who have studied diploma can apply. Those who have studied diploma plus BTech can also apply. Okay. And that's it. Anything else? Yeah, one more thing. Junior technician. Pay scale will be 7,750 to 19,040 per month, and other allowances are admissible. Electronics, 2 posts are there. Furnace man, total 4 posts are there. In that, for UF, 3 posts are reserved. For OBC, 1 post will be reserved. Goldsmith, 3 posts are there. That is reserved for general candidates. So full-time ITA certificate in electronics trade and 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT, and desirable diploma holders in the above respective trade. And one more thing, those who have studied diploma in electronics can also apply for this junior technician post. Okay, and also ITA next post, ITA certificate in foundry blacksmith trade and 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT, and diploma holders in the above respective trades will be desirable. ITI certificate in Goldsmith Trade and 1 year NAC certificate from NCBT. Diploma holders in the above will be desirable, and age limit will be 25 years. Should not exceed 25 years. Okay. One more, carpentry. ITI certificate in carpentry trade, 1 year NAC certificate from NCBT, and diploma holders in the above respective trade will be desirable. And that's it. Nothing. Is there anything? No. Okay. Yeah. See, full form of abbreviations. UR means unreserved. SC means scheduled caste. ST scheduled tribe. OBC other backward class. PWD persons with disability. Then what else? Yeah. Let's get into examination fee. 472 inclusive of GST for all applicants applying for supervisor safety officer, junior technician, engraver of junior office assistant, and all. For ER and OBC candidates, fee will be 472. For SC, ST and PWD applicants are exempted from the payment of fees. Okay. Yeah, selection to the post supervisor safety officer will be done on the basis of online examination and will be objective type. Professional knowledge in the respective trade branch. Say total marks of online test will be 200. There will be no negative marking for online examination, and the duration of the examination is 2 hours. Test name, proficiency, professional knowledge in respective branch safeties like civil, draftsman, meteorology, metallurgical, and material mechanical production, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, electronics, and telecommunication, industrial electronics. Total 100 questions will be there, and maximum 100 marks, and both are in Hindi and English. 120 minutes to answer. And logical reasoning, 25 questions, 25 marks. General awareness, 25 questions, 25 marks. English language, 25 questions, 25 marks. Quantitative aptitude, 25 questions, 25 marks. Total 200 questions, 200 marks. No negative marking. Okay. Then what else? Yeah. For the post of engraver, professional knowledge in respective trade, 100 questions, 100 marks. Logical reasoning, 25 questions, 25 marks. General awareness, 25 questions, 25 marks. English language, 25 questions, 25 marks. Quantitative aptitude, 25 questions, 25 marks. Total 120 minutes duration, 2 hours duration, 200 marks. No negative marking. Next, another one, junior technician. Professional knowledge, 100 questions, 100 marks. Logical reasoning, 25 questions, 25 marks. General awareness, 25 questions, 25 marks. English language, 25 questions, 25 marks. Quantitative aptitude, 25 questions, 25 marks. Total 200 questions, 200 marks. No negative marking. Was 2 hours, 200 questions. Yeah. Then, for the junior office assistant, for this post, there will be skill test, I think, in the typing skill. That is 30 words per minute. Test will be conducted. Those candidates who qualify in the typing test on computer will be called for online written test. Before written test, they are going to conduct in the typing test. So those who clear in the typing test will be allowed to write the online test. Logical reasoning, 50 questions, 50 marks. General awareness, 50 questions, 50 marks. In English language, 50 marks. Quantitative, total 200 questions, 200 marks, 120 minutes, no negative marking. And yeah, the online examination will be held tentatively in November 2020. The exact date, session, reporting time of examination will be mentioned in the call letter. If you have any doubts regarding anything like, you can visit this website. Where it is? Yeah. Just wait. So, and one more thing, traveling allowances for SC/ST candidate, traveling allowances only second class ordinary fare shall be reimbursed as per rules on production of journey details, including railway bus tickets by shortest route. For ST candidates, traveling allowance will be given. And the online written test will be conducted at Mumbai and Navi Mumbai only. The online written test will be in bilingual from in Hindi and English both. You can apply only for any one post. You can't apply for multiple posts. Yeah, that's it. How to apply? Applications requested to follow the detailed procedure guidelines as indicated below. Application registration procedure, payment of fees procedure guidelines or for photograph, signature, scan and upload, other guidelines. So, okay, then application fee will not be refunded. Okay, in any case, if they're not going to refund you. Okay, then yeah, photograph image. Yeah, dimension 200 into 230 pixels, that is preferred. Signature 140 into 60 pixels preferred. And for photograph 20 kb to 50 kb, this is the size the file should be. And size of the file should be between 10K to 20 kb for signature. Okay, then yeah, that's it. Let me tell you how to apply for this recruitment. Just search India government Mint careers. Just click enter. Click on career India government Mint Mumbai, not Hyderabad. Go for Mumbai. After clicking on this, you'll get this type of interface. So if you want notification, just click here. You can read. And if you want to apply for this recruitment, just click here to apply. Just register here. Click here for new registration. After registration done, and then you can use the login details to log in here and to fill the application form and also upload the photograph, signature, and pay the payment. Okay, so this is about this recruitment process. If you have any questions or any queries, just drop me a question in comment box, so I will reply. Okay, so yeah, this is about the recruitment process. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe and please do like, share and comment, and more importantly subscribe. Okay, thank you.